Hi, my name is Sheree Bolden.
I'm with Eva.
And I'm Jennifer Shveta Jordan. This is Look Who's Here. This is our first cooking episode, and I met Sheree and Marissa at Emmaus Community of Pittsburgh. We help people with various sorts of disabilities, and we like to cook. What do you like to cook?
I like to cook stir fry
With lots of
with
veggies?
primavera.
Yeah, and I know you always, like when you asked me to go to the grocery store, you were just like, any kind of veggies.
Any kind of veggies.
So you're just...
Any fresh veggies.
So you're open to lots of different things. How about,
Yes.
would you talk about what you like to make and eat?
I like to make salads.
Okay. What do you put in them?
Sometimes I put almonds,
Mm-hmm.
olives,
Okay.
cheese, onions, and dressing.
Excellent. What kind of onions do you use?
Fresh onions that you cut up instead of onion straws.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, you don't want to do the fried thing, right, in your salad. Although
Yes.
we are in Pittsburgh, so you might even put French fries on your salad.
Right.
Yeah. All right, so today we are making, they're called fresh spring rolls. It's a Thai recipe from Thailand. We have these beautiful rice papers. I love the crosshatch on them. And we're going to dip them in water. They'll become pliable. And we will roll them up with some veggies that we'll chop up, avocado, and then we will be dipping them in peanut sauce.
Okay.
Or actually, it's sesame sauce. Peanut free for those who need that. And another nice thing I just want to say about this recipe is that, you know, for our friends who are gluten free, this is just rice, so anybody can have this.
Nice.
All right, we ready to roll?
Yes, let's rock
Okay.
and roll. Carrots.
These are microgreens.
Bell peppers.
This is cabbage.
Rice pancake.
This is an avocado.
This is sesame sauce.
All right, so actually now everything is ready to go. We have this, it's called classic Vietnamese rice pancakes for spring rolls or simply spring roll wrappers. It is rice. All right, so then you just want to take one of those rice papers and put it in the water. Nice. We'll count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I would take it out now. Okay? And then Marissa's going to move the bowl in front of her for you.
Let me move this.
Perfect.
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah. Move that.
And yeah, you're doing it just perfect. You have a little like nice lip here that you can roll with. So just put like a small amount of everything in there.
Okay.
Well, yeah. Try to this. I didn't do all that cabbage that nicely, so you maybe want to pick these like really nice like thin pieces.
Want to put a little bit more in there?
I think that's actually good. So actually, and you want to turn these because we're gonna roll it in this direction, so it's gonna be a long ways. Yep. Very nice. I'm gonna put a red and a yellow pepper in there.
That's real big.
That is real big. How about one of these nice straight ones? And yellow.
What do we need over here?
Okay, and Marissa is handing you the microgreens. And a little handful. Perfect. and carrot. And about some avocado. That's a lot of avocado, but that's okay. We've got some avocado lovers
It's
around
okay.
here.
If I
Yeah,
use my
yeah,
finger.
exactly. So then you're ready to roll it up. Do you need help with that? Or I feel like you could probably do it yourself. You want to start here, and you want to take that and you want to cover, basically like cover the veggies with that. Just like give them a little, like a little blanket. Nice. And then you don't want to go so far, but yeah, sort of stop at that point. And then, no, that's fine. Leave it where it is. And then take these corners or ends and flop those over. Kind of like you're making a bed. And then you want to just keep on rolling this. Like roll this forward. Gorgeous. You did it. All right, so how was that?
Good.
I think it's very entertaining.
Was it easy?
Yeah.
Was it hard? Okay. So the last thing we're going to do actually is we are going to
Cut.
we're going to cut. Let's see. It's really nice.
But yeah.
Nice little salad in a pocket kind of thing. And we're going to use some of this. We didn't do the recipe for the sesame today. I'm a little messy with this. Do you know who Julia Child was? She used to talk. She was a French chef.
I'm not.
And I actually talked to her once before she died. But anyway, French chef. So she has a wonderful book, The Mastering the Art of French Cooking. Maybe we'll do that another time. But my point was, we have this sauce, this sesame sauce. It's typically a peanut sauce at a Thai restaurant, but we adjusted it for our friends who can't have peanuts. So I think it's going to be wonderful. And I know it's going to be wonderful. And since we didn't have the recipe, we will be putting those links on the video that people can see. Why don't you go first? Because I know you were a little peckish, as they say, hungry. Actually, why don't you try it both at the same time? Ready?
Sure.
And I want to see the reactions here.
1,
Oh, she already started.
2, 3.
Do you like it?
Awesome.
Okay. Sheree?
Good.
Good. All right. So, while you're still chewing, I'm going to say goodbye to our friend at home. Then we're maybe going to head to the farmer's market and see if we can pick up some more veggies to add even more color and more freshness to these. Okay. Yeah. Farmer's market's right around the corner. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I'm not going to have you introduce yourself because you're still chewing. Sheree Bolden and Marissa Niwa.
Yeah.
Look who's here. And my friends from Emmaus community of Pittsburgh. Thanks for
There you
watching.
go. Thank you.
Awesome? Yeah. Okay, good. That's what we want to hear. They are, you can actually put cucumbers in those things as well. Those